Okay, this video is for Shep playing I Will Wait by, what are they called, Mumford and Sons? Yeah. And there's a section of the arrangement like measure 30 where you get, and the guitars aren't playing that. The guitars are just like jamming, so like and like strumming all their chords. But it doesn't sound really good when you do it just on piano. So the arranger, whoever they are, Dana said, well, let's play the same chord, but play it kind of fast back and forth as a way to sort of copy what the guitars are doing. But this way doesn't really sound epic enough for my student Shep. So a couple of things you could try. First one would be to play an octave. Whenever you play an octave with the left hand, things will automatically sound a little bit more grand. And there are reasons for that, but those will be on this video. So try this. And then so you can play chord notes over here in left hand. But maybe you don't like what the right hand is doing. So in addition to playing chord notes here, you can play the chord, which is D flat major. And playing it like this, we call it an inversion, which means the D flat goes to here, and we sort of flip the chord or invert it. Let's play the chord blocked instead of broken. My turn. I sort of like that, but it seems a little bit slow. So now let's try playing the right hand at a faster rhythm. That's okay. Now try playing it at a faster rhythm, and sometimes all blocked, and sometimes alternate finger 2, 5, and finger 1. Or that's okay. I could also try playing the right hand lower or higher. In addition to those options, you could of course invert the right hand chord again. So that's A flat, D flat, F. So I'm just playing chord inversions like that, different arrangements of D flat, F, A flat. You could also add with the left hand the A flat. And the left hand, I'm just jumping around the different octaves of D flat. You could also do what is called stride piano, where you play the root of the chord D flat as an octave, and then you play the triad in different inversions. Let's try that. Maybe you like that, jumping around to different inversions. Generally, we play the root on beat 1. I'm playing the rhythm of the right hand. I might play it in this inversion. Or I might just play any of the chord tones with that rhythm. Okay, and then I'll jump the left hand around. What version do I myself personally like best? Ooh, I don't know. I'm probably going to jump down for the super low D flat, because who doesn't love the low register of the piano? And that's a strum pattern guitarists often use. So I'm going to do definitely definitely the low, and then I'll just jump around. I'll probably do or something like that. I don't know. Maybe that's helpful to you.